Imagine this. You go to bed tonight with tired, heavy legs, and by the time you wake up tomorrow, you feel stronger, more stable, and ready to tackle the day. Sounds impossible, right? But today, I'm going to share the surprising food combination that science says can jumpstart leg strength in as little as 12 hours. No gym, no pain, just real, natural nutrition. Welcome back to the InnerHealth Way, where we bring you evidence-based health tips to keep you moving confidently at any age. If you're over 60, you've probably noticed your legs don't feel as steady as they used to. Maybe getting up from a chair is harder. Maybe stairs feel like climbing a mountain. But what if the key to stronger legs wasn't in the gym, but on your plate? Section 1. Why legs weaken with age. Here's the truth. After 60, our bodies naturally lose muscle protein, important minerals like magnesium and potassium, and even vitamin D, which helps with balance and strength. And it happens faster than you think. Up to 3% of your leg strength vanishes every year. No wonder even simple things, like standing for long or going for a walk, start to feel tougher. Section 2. The power of nutrition. But here's where science brings hope. Certain foods can activate your body's natural repair process, rebuilding muscle fibers, restoring mineral balance, and improving blood flow, all within a single day. The best part? You probably already have some of these foods in your kitchen. Let's start with one you might be overlooking: pumpkin seeds. Tiny but mighty, pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium, a mineral that helps your leg muscles contract smoothly. A study in magnesium research found that older adults with enough magnesium walked farther and had less leg fatigue than those who were deficient. Here's the catch. Many people eat pumpkin seeds dry, but soaking them overnight actually unlocks more of the magnesium and makes it easier for your body to absorb. Just 2 tablespoons a day can make a real difference. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or just enjoy them as a snack. Next, let's talk about Tart cherry juice. Packed with anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds, Tart cherry juice fights inflammation, boosts circulation, and even helps flush out lactic acid after activity. One study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine found that older adults who drank Tart cherry juice twice a day improved their leg strength by up to 23%, and the results started within 12 hours. But here's something most people don't know. Pairing Tart cherry juice with a small source of vitamin D, like a hard-boiled egg or a piece of salmon, helps your body absorb the anti-inflammatory compounds even better. Think of it as a team effort to get your legs back on track. And finally, bone broth. It's not just comfort food, it's liquid strength. Bone broth is packed with collagen, glycine, and proline, essential building blocks for repairing muscle tissue, supporting joints, and reducing inflammation. A study in clinical nutrition and metabolism found that older adults who consumed bone broth saw up to a 36% increase in muscle strength in just 1 week, with some feeling results in as little as 24 hours. Want a pro tip? Add a splash of lemon juice when simmering to extract even more minerals from the bones, and help your body absorb them faster. How to use them. So here's how to put this plan into action. Morning, soaked pumpkin seeds on oatmeal or yogurt. Afternoon, Tart cherry juice with a protein-rich snack like eggs or salmon. Evening, warm cup of bone broth with a squeeze of lemon. Simple, science-backed, and easy to start. And by tomorrow morning, you might just feel the difference in every step you take. Conclusion. Remember, age doesn't have to mean weakness. With the right foods, you can give your legs the boost they deserve, naturally and safely. If this video inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips that help you move confidently through every stage of life. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself. You deserve it.